Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a question I've been getting a lot lately. Does Bask Bank have a mobile app? Now, before we dive into that, let's talk a little bit about Bask Bank itself. It's a relatively new bank, but it's quickly gaining popularity for its innovative approach to banking. One of the things that sets Bask apart is its focus on helping you save money. They offer a variety of tools and resources to help you reach your financial goals, and they even have a partnership with American Airlines that allows you to earn AAdvantage miles when you save money with Bask. So, now that we have a little bit of background on Bask Bank, let's get back to the question at hand. Does it have a mobile app? The answer is yes. The Bask Bank mobile app is available for both iOS and Android devices. The app is packed with features that make it easy to manage your finances on the go. You can check your account balances, transfer money between accounts, deposit checks, and even set up recurring deposits. You can also track your progress towards your savings goals and get personalized tips and advice from Bask's financial experts. One of the things I really like about the Bask Bank app is its user interface. It's clean and intuitive, making it easy to navigate and find what you need. The app is also very responsive, so you can get things done quickly and easily. Overall, I'm very impressed with the Bask Bank mobile app. It's a powerful tool that can help you save money and reach your financial goals. If you're looking for a bank that offers a great mobile app experience, I highly recommend checking out Bask Bank. So, there you have it. Bask Bank does have a mobile app, and it's a great one. If you're a Bask Bank customer, I encourage you to download the app and give it a try. And if you're not a Bask Bank customer, I encourage you to check out their website and learn more about their products and services. With that said, thanks for watching. And until next time, stay safe and healthy.